YouTube.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Look at this.
Please have a break.
No.
No.
No break.
Please have a break.
Designer.
Special event for you.
Designer. Look.
Mum hope. Lumpia. This is so beautiful.
I know. Look at that. How could I skip this beautiful meal, girl?
So beautiful.
Jump
I
up
like
this thing.
this table too.
Yeah, that looks amazing.
The couch looks so great.
Special birthday ไว้ណាអត់រៃមើលម្ហូបមើល ម្ហូប make by ធ្វើដោយចុងភៅពិសេស Hey ចុងភៅ come on hey smiling Christy
Oh my goodness.
yeah beautiful lady ចុងភៅពិសេស Okay quick បងប្អូន
This is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Amazing.
អានេះសាយ៉បងប្អូនសាយ៉ជៀនម្ហូបសាច់គោអាំងចាសាច់មាន់អាំងចាគាត់កំងពីភុយទីថាហើយនេះគាត់ធ្វើខ្លួនឯងបងប្អូនហើយនេះស្លម្ជូរត្រីហើយនេះស្លម្ជូរត្រីមកពីភុយទីថាថៃបងប្អូនចាអូយមកនេះត្រីអាំងហើយស្រីស្អាតហើយសាគូ
You'll be watching 20,000 people.
Thank you
Wow.
That's it
That's it.
Oh
Yeah.
Happy birthday Angela Okay fine Yeah
That's all YouTube gets.
Okay, that's fine. Smile not bad cake, bonbon. Yeah. Look at this. Thank you so much, beautiful ladies. Oh shit. What should I do?
So sorry.
What should I do?
Just sit there. We're gonna sing.
Sing.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Angela. Happy birthday to you.
First of all, I really thank you, my amazing friends, Christy
Yeah.
and Asako and Brian. Baby, thank you.
Yay.
Thank you all.
That's cool.
Did you make a wish?
Did you make a wish?
I did.
What did you? Oh, okay. I don't need to ask.
Wish all happy. That's all what we need.
Are you gonna tell your subscribers the wish
Oh,
later?
Yes.
Oh, we're still there.
Yes, yes. ចាអរគុណ subscriber អរគុណ subscriber ទាំងអស់ចា54 54,000 subscriber ចាអរគុណចាអរគុណបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាចាថ្ងៃនេះ special day ចាគូមកខ្ញុំ Christy ហើយអាសាកូហើយ Brian ចាគាត់ធ្វើ birthday ឲ្យខ្ញុំចាអរគុណចាអរគុណបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាជួបបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃគូបណ្ដាជូនបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខភាពល្អស្នាមល្អហើយជួប AnG នៅវីដេអូក្រោយៗចាអរគុណ Finally បងប្អូន finally បានធ្វើកញ្ចក់ហ្នឹងហាងកញ្ចក់ AnG ចាឯងធ្វើខ្លួនឯងហើយមើលចម្រៀងរបស់លោកពូពាក់មីបងពាក់មីចា fan AnG big fan
Now it's recording.
Now
Yeah.
ចា My birthday gift បងប្អូន unboxing my birthday gift Messi បងប្អូន Messi ចានេះបងប្អូននេះ Messi I was just looking for this kind of jacket the other day
What?
Don't wanna break it. Wow.
What is it?
I was just looking for the jacket, something like this.
Whoa. What is that?
CK.
Whoa.
What is CK?
Calvin Klein?
Actually, I don't know what it is. I don't know the brand. Oh, 2-layer. Are you watching me? I just bought you something like similar like this.
You
But
like
this
it?
one cannot take it out, huh? Right?
No.
Stick?
Permanent.
Ah. Should I try it on?
Sure.
That's good. Are you gonna bring me to New York again?
Yeah. Fancy.
Yeah.
Looks like a New York jacket, huh?
This is gonna be so good for New York. Say like mom. Comfort side my side indeed. You know what it is?
Oh.
I said I tried to make you laugh, but you did not laugh at all. Boy tired, I guess.
No, I don't know what you're saying. Oh, maybe too big?
No? That's good. Something like that?
Just had fuzz on it. Yeah. Looks nice.
Yeah. We're gonna really go to a cold country.
Yeah.
Where should it be?
Don't know.
I don't know what's that on. I might not like better without this guy. What are you gonna do? I like this. But what about this?
It's just extra.
Uh-huh.
You get extra special.
Yeah, I think it's more like a zip like this.
Mm-hmm.
1 layer zip.
Yep.
Thank you, baby.
Welcome. You like
A
it?
little bit big or no? Maybe
Maybe a little bit.
a little bit big, I think.
There was other sizes.
Yeah.
I didn't know what size you were.
A little bit, yeah. What size is this?
That one's small. And then there was like extra small and there's XX small.
Yeah.
So
I
there's
might
two.
go with the X small.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm skinny girl. Very skinny girl. Yeah, let me look. I think a little bit big.
Yeah. Looks a little bit big.
Yeah. But I like it. Yeah, nice and warm. Yeah, it's big. Definitely it's big. Yeah, too big.
Okay. Have to exchange.
Okay. I see something else.
What? No.
Yeah.
No. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy.
Can't score off yet, you right? I'm saying that I haven't had this for a long while. Yeah. Yeah, my Coco channel. I'll open this because I'm sure I'm gonna use this one. I want it. Mine is almost out. I have just a little bit left. Yeah. ប៉ុន្តែលំខាន់បាញ់យូរចង់ធ្លាប់ឲ្យបងប្អូនខ្ញុំនៃសូវប្រើយូរឯងខ្ញុំអត់សូវប្រើហ្មងឯងទឹកអប់ទៅពីព្រោះអីយូរទៅខ្ជិលធម្មជាតិចាងុយទឹកឲ្យតែស្អាតទៅ Yay. Thank you, baby. It's yeah. It's Coco Chanel. Yes. Exactly the one that I use it. Thank you, baby.
Welcome. But you have both the receipts if you want something different.
No, I want this.
Okay.
But this one might need to be returned.
Okay.
And yeah, a little bit big. I like this some type of jacket like this, but I really don't like this part. I don't know.
Okay. I just thought it looked pretty on the hanger,
Yeah,
but I didn't know. Like, jackets are hard
yeah,
to pick out for other people, so I just thought I'd get you one that's like about the same price, and I think looks good, and then you can get the one you want.
Let me check the price. I haven't checked the price yet.
It's on
$400.
discount. On sale. I know.
បងប្អូនចាគីតនេះ$400ណាមិនថោកឯណា$400
It's a lie.
Shit. Okay ប៉ុន្តែធម្មតាអីវ៉ាន់នៅ Messi ជួនកាលវាអនសារបងប្អូន50% off ជួនកាលវាចុះដល់75% អញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹងវានៅត្រឹមប្រហែលជា200ជាងអីចាគីតនេះប្រហែលជា200ជាងអី Yeah
50% off.
Yes that's just I guess it's crazy. I just told people like in Macy's normally they have like a not normally like after like a month or so it will go down to 50% or sometimes more. Okay, good. We should go then.
Okay,
Ready?
let's go.
Yeah.
You got your present.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it. Thank you, baby. Love you, baby.
Yeah, love you too. Yeah.
Good.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.